All right, guys, I'm at Cars and Coffee here in OC. I'm right in front, so show you guys the famous twist. Move around. I got here a little early, so just FYI, you don't want to get here before 8:30. They don't even let you in, so you got to wait outside the coned off area and you come in by Starbucks. But let's check this. So look at this. A Dodge. What is that? A 64? Oh, and a 64 E-Type. And then a Thunderbird. Thunder Chicken. Never a fast car, but a beautiful one. And we'll just do a little bit of a walk around here. I'm gonna have to come back. This is one of the coolest looking Land Rovers I've seen. Somebody spent some money on that. For sale. See, I'll show you guys the number in case one of you guys wants to buy it. But this is in OC, so I'm guessing that is insanely expensive and way too much for what it is. I bet. But there's the phone number. Oh my God. I think the price at $120K. That guy's on crack. You could make like 10 of them for that. Anyways, hopefully that guy doesn't see this video, but probably will. There's a lot of like people with more money than sense in Orange County. I lived here for 12 years. And so they say in the car business, there's an ass for every seat. So somebody will buy that Defender, probably not for that price, but they'll pay stupid money for it, which makes no sense. But when you could pay some guy and keep him, pay his bills for over a year for the amount of money that costs. LC's getting a lot of attention now. People are checking her out. Yeah, there's a lot of sweet rides here, that's for sure. Let's just do, this is God, I want to say it's August 4th. I'm not even sure. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of a video here and drop this, and I'll do another one later. But this is, you know, it's barely it's like 8:45. Like people literally get here right when it opens. Look at that, Cobras. Probably none of them are originals, but that is. Well, here there probably is some originals. This is where people have like stupid money and spend it on cars. Here's your American Muscle, the classics. Back to the LC on the front. Whoops, sorry about the zoom, guys. It's not so smooth. I got to figure out